Holy shipwreck! Over $36 million in XRP just got liquidated in 24 hours. The bulls are back, but the bears got wrecked. What in the crypto craziness is going on? Let's dive in. What's crackin', my XRP-loving legends and market mayhem junkies? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your front row seat to all the wildest rides in the crypto roller coaster. I'm your host, Gold Rush, and today we're breaking down some absolutely mind-blowing action in the XRP market. In this video, we're going to dissect the massive wave of liquidations that just hit XRP, the bullish price boost that followed the SEC news, and some incredibly exciting developments that could send XRP to the stratosphere. Trust me, you do not want to miss this breakdown of pure crypto chaos and potential gains. Okay, buckle up buttercups, because the last 24 hours in the XRP market have been nothing short of a wild rodeo. Following the SEC's decision to finally drop that nagging lawsuit against Ripple, the entire crypto ecosystem saw a fantastic recovery, and XRP was leading the charge. We saw XRP price jump by a whopping 13% on March 19th, and this triggered a massive shift in liquidations. According to CoinGlass data, a staggering $36.96 million worth of XRP got liquidated in just the past 24 hours. That's nearly 15 million XRP wiped out. What's particularly interesting about this liquidation event is that it wasn't just the short sellers getting squeezed. Unlike previous liquidation trends where one side usually gets hammered way more than the other, this time, both long and short traders faced almost equal losses. Long traders saw a total liquidation of around $18.21 million, while short traders got hit even harder at $18.75 million. This even split tells you just how volatile and confusing the market was right after the SEC news dropped, especially with Ripple's CLO hinting at a potential counter-appeal. It was a true sell-the-news event that caught traders on both sides of the trade. This kind of balanced liquidation is actually a good sign of a healthy market correction after a big news event. It shows that both the bulls and the bears were caught off guard by the SEC's move and the subsequent market reaction. Despite all the liquidation chaos, the overall outlook for XRP remains bullish. The price is still up by a solid 7.89% in the last 24 hours, currently hovering around $2.496. But the excitement doesn't stop there, my friends. Shortly after the Ripple and SEC news broke, Bitnomial launched the very first XRP futures contract in the United States. This is huge. This could pave the way for the holy grail of XRP investments in the US, a full-blown XRP ETF. With XRP now officially in the clear as a non-security, the entire XRP ledger ecosystem is poised to explode with growth. We can expect a massive influx of developers building all sorts of innovative decentralized applications, or dApps, on the XRP ledger, and that increased utility will indirectly have a fantastic impact on the price of XRP. The launch of XRP futures in the US is a game changer. This is the kind of institutional infrastructure that can bring in massive amounts of capital and really legitimize XRP in the eyes of traditional investors. An XRP ETF could be the next domino to fall, and that would be absolutely monumental. This is some seriously exciting stuff happening in the XRP world, right, crypto fam? What are your thoughts on these massive liquidations and the potential for an XRP ETF? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're loving this high-energy breakdown, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to Gold Rush Crypto Daily yet, hit that button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future XRP updates. So, to recap, XRP just experienced a liquidation frenzy with over $36 million wiped out, affecting both longs and shorts. But despite the volatility, the overall outlook remains bullish, fueled by the SEC lawsuit drop and the groundbreaking launch of XRP futures in the US, potentially paving the way for an XRP ETF and a boom in XRP ledger dApps. The future is looking incredibly bright for XRP. What do you think is next for XRP's price? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video with all your fellow XRP enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Check out our other videos for more exciting crypto news and market analysis. Remember, this is just my take on the news, not financial advice. Do your own research, crypto fam.